being an information junkie, I relish in learning something new. I relish in learning something new. I relish in learning something new.
Message!
Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy. What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Are you a spiritual Christian?
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
See me coming.
Jehovah, Allah, Yemaya, Jesus. Are you a spiritual Christian? No, I'm not talking down on Christianity alone. When I say spiritual Christian, I'm speaking on a mindset and attitude. The big idea or the real understanding is a religious motif. Are you practicing spirituality based on what the Bible says, Bobby Hemmett says, or Panic says? Or are you understanding the truth within yourself and gaining power within you? Yes, you, your own universe. So the key is, and the power lies in, do you trust yourself? For example, my master teachers, Bobby and Panic, don't vibe with exercise. They were creators in the realm of art and music. And above all, throat chakra on a trillion. When I was a kid, my expression of life was physical. Basketball was a way of life for me to express myself. I enjoyed the game and it was an inspiration of mine. Inspiration in spirit. So at the end of the day, I know even if my big homies Bobby and Panic don't reflect the understanding I have, I still have to do me. I still have to do me. I still have to do me. And that's being in a space of what I love and why I came down here to express myself in a physical way. This is called chaos. And being a chaos being, you have the potential to do whatever comes into your universe. Heart chakra. The problem is, and the gnosis is, that we don't trust ourselves. We want to be the go along to get along gang. The power lies in moving beyond the religious thought. Any doctrine that says you have to act like this or else is fallacy, is a false thing. The key is just understanding this as information. And for myself, being an information junkie, I relish in learning something new. I relish in learning something new. I relish in learning something new.
Message!
Whether it's from Joel Osteen or Bobby Hemmett, I live for the experience, and I trust if it doesn't fit my particular vibration at that time, throw it out the window. I'll grow and move into a space of understanding, but not worshiping. Worshiping an idea that another motherfucker came up with. It's cool to learn and grow, but fit it into your toolbox. You are the key. You are the one. And you're the all. Dream wise.